Shaheen Group of Institutions brings you an attractive opportunity to build your career by taking part in Talent Hunt cum Scholarship Examination Shaheen Scholars Group SSG 2021. Shaheen Group of Institutions presents Shaheen Scholars Group SSG 2021, an initiative from Shaheen to help economically deprived and academically brilliant students. Scholarships are available across all courses offered by Shaheen depending on qualification, interest and aptitude of students. Scholarships are available for class 9th and 10th, class 11th, 12th, Science, Arts and Commerce stream integrated with JEE, NEET, CA and CLAT courses. For degree courses BA, BSc and BCom. For Shaheen Administrative Services, for CLAT Academy, for 1 year UPSC preparation course, for Alim Plus and Hifz Plus courses, for Shaheen Media Academy. We will take a look at all the courses available at Shaheen for students at different level. Students who are appearing in class 8th examinations this year or who have passed class 8th can take admission in regular class 9th and class 10th schooling. Their course will be integrated with NTSC preparation. Our experienced faculty will also put emphasis on laying foundation for NEET, JEE and KVPY examinations. Students who are appearing in class 10th examination in 2021 can take admission in class 11th and class 12th Science, Arts and Commerce stream. Science stream will be integrated with NEET or JEE depending on interest and aptitude of students. Arts stream will be integrated with UPSC and CLAT examination. Commerce stream will be integrated with CA examination preparation. Shaheen offers full-time and regular degree courses BA, BSc and BCom. We have separate campus for boys and girls, well-equipped labs and a state-of-the-art library. BA course and BSc course will be integrated with UPSC examination, while BCom course will be integrated with preparation of CA examination. Those who have completed graduation in any stream and their dream is to become an IAS officer can join Shaheen Civil Services Academy. There is 1 year dedicated course for UPSC conducted by our expert faculties. Full-fledged library, separate hostel facilities for boys and girls with 24/7 security is also available. Students who want to build a career in the field of law can join Shaheen CLAT Academy. For those students who want to appear for CLAT in the year 2022 can join 1 year dedicated program for CLAT. For those students who have passed class 12 and or who are appearing in class 12 this year and who have registered for CLAT examination in 2021 can take part in our 70-day intensive crash course. Graduates who want to build a career in the field of journalism can obtain 6 months diploma course in journalism and mass communication from Shaheen Media Academy. This course will cover video journalism, photojournalism, writing skills and some other topics. This course will start from 1st April 2021. Alim Plus is a unique program by Shaheen for students who have completed Alimiyat from any madrasa. We have designed a special 4-month-long foundation program which will help them transition into regular courses. after completion of the foundation program, based on their qualifications and age, they can be admitted in class 11th and 12th integrated with CLAT, or in degree programs integrated with UPSC, or in LLB program offered by Shaheen, or a 6-month diploma program in journalism. We can also provide them dedicated coaching for cracking CLAT exam or UPSC exam. Hifzul Quran Plus is a specially designed program from Shaheen for those students who have memorized the Quran. This program consists of a 4-month-long foundation program. After completing this foundation program, students will be admitted to regular education depending on their age, their qualifications and their abilities. They may be admitted to class 8 to 10th, or in class 11th and 12th, or in our degree courses. We can also provide them coaching for UPSC and CLAT examination. We can also offer them our journalism program. If you are part of an educational institute or a social organization which wants to run this program from your premises or from a masjid or from a madrasa, please contact us. We will help you by providing you all the required training. We will also give you our special course material for this program. Shaheen offers Academic Intensive Care Unit or AICU. This is a special program for students whose age lies between 10 to 18 years and who have dropped out from regular schooling. These students will be provided a 4-month-long foundation course focusing on languages and mathematics. After completion of this course, depending on their aptitude, they will be admitted in class 8 to class 12. In case you want to run this program from any educational institutions or from any masjid or from a madrasa, please contact us. We will provide you with our specially designed material, and we will also provide you any training that you may need. Let us now look at scholarship categories and examination details for Shaheen Scholars Group. Based on performance in Shaheen Scholar Group Examination SSG, 3 scholarship categories will be offered: Rankers, Achievers and Winners. Rankers will be offered 100% scholarship in tuition fees as well as residential facility. They will be offered free tuition as well as hostel. Achievers will be offered 100% scholarship in tuition fees only. If they avail of hostel facility, they will have to pay for that. Winners will be offered 50% scholarship in tuition fees. Full scholarship is only available for those Muslim students who are eligible to receive zakat. Muslim students who are not eligible to receive zakat will receive half of the scholarship, that is 50% in tuition and residential facility in case of rankers, 50% in tuition fees in case of achievers, and 25% in tuition fees in case of winners. These conditions are not applicable for non-Muslim students. Mark your calendars. Shaheen Scholar Group 2021 will be held from 8th February to 11th February. Shaheen has branches in more than 20 states. This test will be held in more than 400 centers all over India and in Gulf. In case you are aware of any academically brilliant student, especially from poor economic category, please let them know about this test. Please spread the word. In case of any question or any query, you can call our toll-free number 1800-121-6235. You can also visit our website www.shaheengroup.org. To register for SSG 2021, please visit www.shaheengroup.org and then click on SSG 2021.